Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to solve this problem on the board. So the question is 10 to the power of k plus 10 to the power of k plus 10 to the power of k all divided by 5 to the power of k plus 5 to the power of k plus 5 to the power of k equals 100. Now, so how are we going to solve this problem here? So now when you look at the numerator, so you can see that here everything everything is the same. So it shows that we're going to have 10 to the power of k into 1 plus 1, all right, plus 1. That is, you factor out 10 to the power of k divided by then the bottom line too. So 5 to the power of k is what is common. We factor it out, 1 plus 1 plus 1, then equals what? Equals 100. All right, so from there we move on. So we're going to have 10 to the power of k, then multiply by, when you add this together, you have 3 divided by 5 to the power of k, then this will also give us 3, then equals 100. Alright, so from there, the next thing we're going to do is that you can see that there's something common. 3 is here, 3 we cancel this. So therefore we have what? We have 10 to the power of k. We have 10 to the power of k, 10 to the power of k, then divided by 5 to the power of k, then everything equals 100. Okay, so moving on, we're going to have what? Since we are having the same power, when you have something like this, a over b, or let me do this, a to the power of c and b to the power of c, I can rewrite this as a over b to the power of c. Understood? And that's what I'm going to do exactly here, because we have what? We have both 10 and 5 having the power k. So from there we have 10 to the power of divided by 5, then to the power of k, then equals what? Equals 100. So now what is 10 divided by 5? We have 2. 2 to the power of k, then equals 100. Alright, so from there we move on. So now the next thing we're going to do here is that we want to look for the value of k. Alright, so how are you going to do that? What we're going to do is to introduce logarithm with respect to base 2. And that's going to be log base 2, 2 to the power of k, then equals log, then 100. So from there, when you have log a to the power of b, a log a to the power of b like this, you know that this is going to be b log what? Big log a. And that's what I'm going to do. So the k, we have to come down and multiply log 2 base 2, then equals, we have log 2. Let me put here 2 here, then 100. According to this, so what's the next thing we're going to do? So you can see that log 2 base 2, when you have log a base a, this is going to give us 1. Alright, so log 2 base 2 is going to give us 1, then we have k will be equals to log 100 base what? Base 2. Alright, then we can have this to be k equals log, we have base 2, then this can be 10 to the power of 2. Alright, so moving on, we have what? We have k to be equals 2 log 10 base 2. Understood? So we can have k to be approximately, that will give us what? Let me just leave it that way. So we have k because that's the accurate value. So we have k here to be 2 log 2 base 10. I mean 2 log 10 base 2. And that's the solution. Okay, so you can try to check. Let's check whether what we have is right or not. We have 10 to the power of k plus 10 to the power of k plus 10 to the power of k. Then all divided by 5 to the power of k plus 5 to the power of k, then plus 5 to the power of k. Then everything equals what? Equals 100. Now what I'm going to do is that I will first simplify this further, alright, before putting the value of k. So this one will be 3 times 10 to the power of k, that is 3 of 10 to the power of k, divided by this will be 3 times 5 to the power of what? K. Then equals what? Equals 100. Alright, so the next I'm going to do is that what's the value of what's the value of k, the value of k. So we have k to be, we're going to have 3. You know that this, you know that this, we cancel this, then we are left with 10k, and this is going to be 10k over what? Over 5k, then equals what? Equals 100. Then we are going to have 10 divided by what? Divided by 5 to the power of k, then equals 100. Now when k is log, and k is 2 log, you have 2 to the power of k, then equals 100. So now when is uh, k is 2 log 10 base 2, would this give us 100? So we're going to have 2 to the power of log base 2, then 10 to the power of 2. Would this give us 100? Alright, so we have what? We have 2 log base 2, 100. Would this give us 100? Yes, when you have a log a b, you can see the bases are the same thing. This we cancel this, we don't have b. Understand? So therefore this we also cancel this. Then we're going to have 100 equals 100. So which shows that the value of k we got is what? Is a valid solution. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends. Bye bye.